Hey everyone, it's Juliana from Voices, and today is all about money. We're going to talk about how you, as a voice actor, can make money online. For voice actors just getting started in the industry, the two most common questions include, how do I become a voice actor, and how much money does a voice actor make? Voice acting salaries can vary widely from person to person and even year to year. It's important to keep in mind that voice actors are typically paid on a per project basis. Every voiceover project will have different requirements, and the industry rates will help you determine the amount of money you'll earn for the project. If you're providing voiceover for commercials, you can expect to earn anywhere between $100 for a local radio commercial to $10,000 for a national TV commercial. If you're providing voiceover for cartoons and animation, the industry rates generally range from $100 for a short 15-second animation, all the way up to $10,000 for the starring role in an animated short. You can expect even higher if you're cast to play the lead role in an animated feature film. If you're pursuing a career in audiobook narration, we commonly see between $200 to $300 per hour of recording. Since most audiobooks can be 4 to 6 hours of recording, an audiobook narrator's salary usually works out to about $1,500. The amount of money that a voice actor earns from a job will depend on whether the recording is for a broadcast project or not. If a broadcast voiceover project involves larger market distribution, you will likely be paid at a higher rate due to the size of the project's audience. The ceiling of a voice actor's salary can be immensely high. It's worth considering that success only comes with a great deal of hard work and valuable experience. To provide some perspective, a top voiceover actor like Nancy Cartwright, who voices several characters on The Simpsons, makes about $400,000 per episode. As a beginner, it's best to be realistic about your starting salary in voiceover. Because when you're just getting started in the industry, you're bound to lack experience, and that's okay. You can still make a reasonable amount of money while working from your home and setting your schedule, as long as you're proactive about setting a fair and accurate voiceover salary for every job you audition for. As a voice actor, your voice is your business. You are essentially an entrepreneur. On Voices, voice actors set their own rates. You'll never be required to bid for work at a rate that is below what you feel is fair for the job. In addition, you should also take time to understand the industry trends and rates to get a good idea of how much your time and efforts are worth. As a registered talent on Voices, you won't ever have to worry about not getting paid for a job. Our SurePay service ensures that all voice actors receive payment for every project they complete. SurePay reduces the fear of failing to get paid so that you can focus all of your energy on delivering the highest quality of voiceover work, which will in turn result in positive client reviews that help you stand out in the marketplace. You can easily view all of your project earnings under the payment section of your account. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're interested in following along with the rest of the series, please feel free to subscribe, and as always, happy auditioning.